Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Huawei Pura 70 series just launched yesterday, and today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of the Huawei Pura 70 Pro and Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, flagship camera-centric phones. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So, this is the Huawei Pura 70 Pro's box in white color. After removing the plastic covering from the box, you'll find the phone in a snowy white color. This variant comes with 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. After opening the box, let's set the phone aside for a little while. Inside the cardboard box, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, and within the box, there's a transparent case. This time, they've used harder materials. Also included is a 100W supercharged power adapter with both Type A and Type C outputs, and finally, a Type C to Type C data cable. When you remove the plastic wrap from the phone, you'll find it in a snow white color. The back is made of glass and comes with a matte finish along with an AG process. This time, the AG process is slightly different from the regular one, providing a comfortable feel to the touch. In light conditions, the back of the phone appears reflective. On the top left, there's a huge triangular camera module. The sides of this triangular module are curved, and in the middle, there's a telephoto camera that is quite large. On the left side, you'll find the flash and the Maiky logo. The phone is a bit heavy and feels thicker, around 8.4 millimeters. Looking at the screen, all four sides have curved edges, and this time, the front side has a relatively larger angle. It looks much bigger than the normal or angle. When you look at the screen bezels, all four sides have almost equal width, and the bezels are very thin, giving you an almost full screen display. Even the chin is made thinner. Friends, how do you like the screen of this Huawei Pura 70 Pro? Do let me know in the comments. And soon, I'll be bringing you a screen comparison with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max. To see the comparison, subscribe and join our tech team. The phone's frame is made of glossy aluminum alloy. Now, let's unbox the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Friends, in Huawei's Pura 70 series, the Ultra variant is the highest. So, here's the big box of the Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. Let's open the plastic covering of the box here. On top of the box, you'll notice some textures and the branding of the phone. And this is the green color variant. It's the top variant with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. After opening the box, let's set the phone aside for a while. Oh, here's the protective case. The case has some interesting textures, and it's made of hard plastic, but it's better than the transparent case. It has nice textures on the back, and there's a special shaped cutout for the camera module. Inside the cardboard box, you'll find a SIM ejector tool and a user manual. Also included is a 100W supercharged power adapter with dual port output. Finally, you'll find a Type C to Type C data cable. When you remove the plastic wrap from the phone and examine the design, you'll see that the phone comes in green color with a plain leather back that comes with textures. Since it's a leather back, it feels quite nice to the touch. The camera module is still in the same triangular shape, but the Maiky logo and flash are placed on the outer side. So, you can compare both phones, noticing differences in lens placements as well. In the Pura 70 Ultra, the telephoto lens is placed at the bottom. The main lens, which is larger in size and raised, it mechanically uplifts, is the standout feature. The thickness of both phones remains the same at 8.4 millimeters. Both phones have the same screen size, and even the display doesn't show much difference. Here you can see how the main camera mechanically raises, and inside this camera, there's also a variable aperture. Just by looking at it, you get a wow feeling. Moreover, you can hear a sound when the camera raises. In this video, I was just going to give you a quick unboxing, but I'll be uploading a detailed review video in 2 days where we'll dive into performance, gaming, camera, and battery tests in detail. So, to watch the review video first, subscribe and join our tech team. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes